Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment Government of India na sponsor tauraga Manipur ke district mapan da pangthokliba NASA Mok Bharat campaign sarugama oina ngasi Thobal district ke Hairok Part 2 da leiba Divine Life Club ki ground da leiba community hall da awareness and education program on prevention of substance and alcohol abuse haiba hiramda miyam punna khangminabagi program ama pangthokre. Department asina Ministry of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare gi makhada leiba Central Sector Scheme of Oil Palm Project under National Mission on Oil Seed and Oil Palm asibo thabak oina onthoknabagi damak Principal Secretary Health Manipur da Committee ki Chairman oiduna Manipur Oil Palm Mission amadi Subcommittee Oil Palm Manipur semkhre. Ministry of Ayush Government of India ki mityeng makhada Regional Research Institute for Homeopathy RRI na TOMTV ki staff singda immune booster hand sanitizer amadi mask sing mateng pangkhre. RRI Senior Research Fellow Dr. Gauri Ningthauzamna tengbang polam sing ado uripo khoisnam lekai da leiba TOMTV ki office da laktuna TOMTV ki joint editor Thongam Sunil da kusinakhi. Paumi Singna Bengali Lon da Fongba Paumi Imad Udin Mazumdar Fu Chaiba Taurakpagi Mayokta Superintendent of Police Kasargi Office Mamangda Wakamifam Chathakre Panbayai Paumi Imad Udin Mazumdar Kalyan Lakhipur gi lambida numidang pung mapanrom taba matamda sakhangdaba miyoi kharana Fu Chaiba Taurakibani. Kundrakwam AC ki manung chana leiriba harau rauda accident amada masagi makhong animak tektuna chatpa yadana leiriba ngasepam bizengi imungda kendra sigi MLA Thokchom Lokeshwar Singna bizengi imungda fo bora taramanga mateng pangkhre.